So from June 23 to 27, Marco Polo is celebrating Thai Sojourn. So they're bringing a Thai chef here, and today I'm gonna try out some of their Thai specialties. So I'm gonna start with the soup. According to Barbie, it should be the perfect start for any meal here. So I'm gonna have the tom yum. So the tom yum soup is a sour and spicy soup, hot and sour soup from Thailand. So it's normally that's seafood and meat, and yeah, it's one of my favorites basically. Ever since I tried Thai cuisine, it has been one of my favorite Thai dishes ever. Another interesting dish from Thailand are their salad. So I got the Thai beef salad and Thai shrimp salad. Then I'm gonna also order some pad Thai. So they have a pad Thai station here. Of course, curry in Thailand and curry is pretty synonymous. So that completes my plate number 1. So they have the Thai beef and shrimp salad, and I also have the duck curry and the Thai squid dish. It's very good. The Thai, So aside from their featured Thai dishes, they still have their Japanese station, a dim sum station, as well as a noodle station, and of course a dessert station featuring crepes, cakes, ice cream, cookies, and other sweet stuff. So it's gonna be an enjoyable buffet always here at Marco Polo. And now, if you love Thai dishes, this week is the perfect time to go here. Check them out. So for desserts, here you can go as authentic as mango, sticky rice, and coconut milk. So yes, they have it here as well, and it's the perfect way to cap a Thai meal. So I got the sticky rice and mango, then I put the 3 scoops of ice cream for my dessert. So this is really simple. Marco Polo will be featuring Thai dishes from June 20 to 27. So we have a visiting chef here, and he'll be the one inviting you guys.
Thank you very much. Okay,
So guys, check them out.